Looking for inspiration for your Halloween needs? Well, look no further. Born Pretty's reflective cat eye will have you in the spooky season and all of the glamourween. These gorgeous reflective cat eyes are so easy to use. I'm starting this design off by doing a vertical ombre, doing one half with the gorgeous green cat eye and the other half with the blue. Using ombre brush, I gently merge these together. And then off camera, I used a neodymium magnet to snatch those magnetic particles. And there you have it, the perfect base. Now I'm grabbing a beautiful white gel paint, and I am just carving out the areas for this webbed design. I hope you enjoy. And if you decide to do a recreation, please take me. I'm dying to see the results.